Here's a quick brake light mod for the Razor MX650, which does not need to tap into the original controller wiring. This is a complete standalone system. It's a $5 brake light module from Amazon, which is attached to the frame using this spring attached to this little piece of metal I bent. And as I'm pressing down on the lever, it pulls the plunger and completes the connection. And that's it. So basically I have 60 volts running down this green wire to here. This completes the circuit as you pull the lever, and it sends the signal straight to the light, activating it. So I have 60 volts running through this, so there's no need for any type of buck converter, any type of any other module. It's a simple mod. 60 volts to here, this goes to the light, and you ground the light. That's it. So this is the brake light. I also have a regular light set up. It's doing its little dance, and as you press the brake lever, it gets brighter. This also has turn signals built in, but those are not connected, and I have this set up to this little 3D printed little switch panel, which works beautiful.